Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be discussing with you few of the basic phone etiquettes that we need to follow whenever we are using our phone. During this pandemic time, during the time of Corona, we were not supposed to meet anybody. Nobody was, even our relatives, friends, we were not able to meet, and we were on phone almost all the time, and the use of phone increased all of a sudden. We were using and we started using more often. So today I'll be discussing with you few of the phone etiquettes that you need to follow whenever you're using your phone. So these are the etiquettes that you must follow with formal as well as informal talk. Like informal talk means you're talking to your friends, you're talking to your relatives, and this is essential etiquette, that phone etiquette that must be followed whenever you're talking in a professional to professional people, or you're having a formal talk, like you're talking to your colleagues, to your seniors, to your juniors in your office, in your corporate sector, you're having a talk in business deals. So we almost all of us are using phone very often, and we must know the basic phone etiquettes that we need to follow while using our phones. So the first and the foremost one is that when you are calling somebody, so you have to call only twice, and even if it's very urgent, you need to call only twice. And if the person is not picking up the phone, it's clear that the person is not in the range of the phone and is not comfortable picking your phone, so you must not call more than twice. And whenever you're calling, after twice, you just drop a message to the concerned person to call back because it's important or it's urgent, and don't keep on calling again and again and again and again and again. This is very rude. Second basic phone etiquette is that you need to, whenever you are receiving a call, so you need to receive the call with 3 rings, at most 3 rings is there. You need to receive the phone so that the concerned person ringing you must be aware that okay, you are there. So if you are not in the reach, you must call back whenever you come to the reach of your phone. Third tip is that, third phone etiquette that we must follow whenever you're putting a person on hold, when you're talking to a person and you're wishing to talk to anybody else, and you're trying to put the person on hold, means ki you have to inform the person that you're putting them on speaker or putting them on hold before putting them on speaker or putting them on hold. He or she must be informed. Okay. And whenever you're talking on phone, and at what place you're talking, even if you're at your home, at your office, at the metro, in the metro traveling, you must be always aware of the tone or the volume that you're speaking with on your phone. Your volume is not affecting somebody whenever you're talking. And the fourth and the most important tip is, whenever you're talking to a phone, be cheerful. Now people will ask how talking on phone and being cheerful, the person on the other side will not notice that whether I'm cheerful or not, but your voice, when you speak with cheerfulness, your voice will just give out a message that you're very happy, and people will find out that you are talking to them with very enthusiasm and you're very much interested in their talk. So these are the basic phone etiquettes that you must follow.